I'm the TV girl and I'm back again with another video आपके viewing pleasure के लिए. So today I'm going to do a review of a Desi series. Yeah, first time for me. But before that, I want to tell you how I chanced upon the series. Now, every night I have this routine. I'll watch like some clip of Fallon or some clip of Superwoman or an AIB video or TVF video. Because happy thoughts before you go to bed. A comedy video does the best job. And YouTube, in its suggested recommended videos for you section, showed me this Chuttu web series which is called The Married Woman Diaries. Now, I'm married and I'm a woman, so obviously I had to click no. I think I clicked somewhere around the third episode, so obviously I saw 1, 2, 3, and the latest one 4. So all eps till date have been watched. And guess what? It's crap. So what is the series about? As the name suggests, it is a diary of a married woman. Today's new age married woman. She works as a stand-up comedian. And in the description is written that she's originally from Pune. Yay! Yes, Punekar. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. No Punekar. Her husband is the senior marketing manager at an ad agency in Mumbai. It's about 4 episodes old, and in each episode, through her stand-up comedy, she showcases the hardships or the issues that she has in her marriage and her times as a married woman. I want to say that these are fun issues, or I don't know, issues that, well, not necessarily issues, things we face in a marriage every single day. But I have to go with only one word because after seeing The Married Woman, I can think of only one word in my head. It's so stereotypical. There is the mother-in-law who hates her. There is the husband who, when he has to choose between the mother-in-law and the wife, will probably always choose the mummy. There's the mother-in-law who thinks that the wife is probably barren. She's the wife who's afraid to give up her career for a child. Why do women have to always think like that? Why do we have to give up anything? A husband who constantly wants to have sex and now wants to have kids. It's like watching any other medical show. Grey's Anatomy देख लिया तो बस और कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because every other medical show is the same. There's sorrow, there's heartbreak, there's doctors screwing each other, and there's grand medical cases. And that's exactly what every series is about. So if you're going to make a married series, at least try to be a little original with the content and do some research. It's the most stereotypical, inane problems that honestly women of today do not give a fuck about. Like right in the first episode, the husband decides to do something nice for her. He dims the lights and he gets a little wine, he puts some rose petals, tries to be romantic, and what does this woman do? She is having a panic attack because she thinks the husband has done something wrong and she doesn't have time for that. I mean, I'm sorry lady, I would kill for something like this to happen to me on a daily basis. And not that I'm saying that my husband isn't romantic, but panic is not necessarily the first thing that would come to my mind. And I've been married for 3 years. Or the mother-in-law episode, which is now my favorite, in which, guess what does she criticize? The goddamn chai. Really? I couldn't give 2 fucks if my mother-in-law liked my chai or not. And I'm sure my mother-in-law doesn't care either. A little bit about the cast. The woman Shweta, who's played by this actress called Susanna Mukherjee, who I've absolutely never heard of before, but she was apparently a contestant in the 6th season of Roadies. And the husband is played by Abhishek Rawat, who weirdly has this accent which I can't put my finger on. She acts well, I'll give her that. But portraying her as a stand-up comedian was probably not the best way to go because she's bad at doing that. Because the show is so not funny. I think I laughed all of once. Only thing she's got going for herself is hot dikhti hai bahut. Husband, I have no comments on. He's pretty much useless acting throughout the show. So what's good about The Married Woman Diaries? I can't say much. I'm trying very hard to because I want to support original Indian content, but I can't. It's probably funny in 1 or maybe 2 places, but it's shot well. So production team ko full marks. What doesn't work? Absolutely anything. Right from that horrible montage at the top, which I think they were trying to take a cue from How I Met Your Mother, because the color scheme is that, and it goes Married Woman Diaries, Married Woman Diaries. It's ganda. As I said before, I am a married woman and I have tons of friends who are married, and none of us give a flying fuck about the problems that are listed in the show. We love it that our husbands would like to have more sex. Our husbands also know that we have very tiring days and sometimes we may make excuses for not jumping on them. It's all freaking normal. And you know what? It's a century old. I'm bored of talking about it. Just the last episode, the fourth episode, she apparently has this dream about childbirth, and her husband is showcased as this cricket crazy idiot who doesn't know anything about his child, and basically has been sitting on the side for 9 months and thinks that children can be born at home with ripped up sheets and a kettle or a pot of boiling water. And please, can we give a little more credit to our men who I'm sure are obsessed with cricket, but would definitely not put their obsessed selves, moronic obsessed selves, superstitious selves over the contractions of his wife when she's delivering a child. I mean, what age are you portraying? Only modern thing that you've done in this series is probably showcasing that the wife is a stand-up comedian. Why can't we make a TV series in which the mother-in-law is actually nice? My mother-in-law is nice and I want to talk about her. Ye abla mother-in-law or woman who wants to make doodh and almond for the husband is done. Is done, shut, signed, sealed, delivered. As a married woman, ये तो definitely मेरा diary नहीं है. And that was my teeny tiny review of a Desi web series called The Married Woman. If you want to keep the conversation going, then please like the video, comment on the video and share the video. And if you want new videos coming to you straight into your inbox, then you know what you gotta do. Click on the subscribe button right there. I do new videos every single week. If you want to keep the conversation going, then I'd love to have a little chitter chatter. Always reach me on the bossgirl@gmail.com. Till the next time, it's a wrap.